Okay, welcome to Unit 412, located in beautiful Long Beach, California. This is a beautiful one-bedroom apartment with a nice kitchen, dishwasher, stove, microwave, refrigerator. It's fully furnished. It has a nice dining room, living room combination with a beautiful neighborhood look. The sunsets are fabulous here, and we have a little balcony here with a storage unit for cleaning supplies if you like, or any other thing you like to store. But the sunsets are beautiful, and then it has a open field, very modern, and as I say, it comes fully furnished. This is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. It has two closets, one right here and one in this area. Full closet with the bathroom, fully remodeled, brand new, super clean, ready to move in. So hope you can join us this weekend to come and see it and make it your new home.